just see and just say, yo, me run my job.
You never get this on the forward after me say you have to come beat me. Me see you send me request one time, you know me not accept Tavii because Tavii come murder me this morning. Yeah.
No, you know say me never did a plan for come murder you. No. Me afraid of your side actually.
I may play all the time.
Me over here fret before me send the request them and say, yo, me could run too much with that, but I'm afraid. But when we may ask you, is not Dyema. Alright, so you're a man there jail now. I can ask a question, how long before him come out?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. That sound like a couple months, though.
All the for years, it don't really matter, Tavii. I used to them something, yeah.
You used to it?
Yeah.
Like you did have a man in jail already or something like that?
Prison.
What? And you hold up for how long?
10 years.
What? So for the 10 year, hold on, Dyema, for the 10 year, you not give her the pussy, none tal?
I'm away yet.
I lie you tell, brother. Me not believe you. Me not believe you. Dyema, you not give her one time? Not even once?
Me give it with rose. Rose, I use the roses.
I'm friend.
That's loyalty. That is loyalty right there.
Because look here, what have you come over with this body?
So what are they? How about
are you kidding me? You come up somebody over here and nobody now shoot, just mix up his screen record.
Yeah.
Yeah, so them stay, brother. So Dyema.
Yeah.
I can ask a question.
Yes. Eh?
Dyema, what go on with a relationship? After you done wait the 10 years, what go on?
What go on?
Yeah.
It is still a go on good, so till me decide say me want change, you know.
You want change? Oh. So you decide when you want.
Yeah.
Oh.
Easy, are you kidding me?
Okay.
Thank you.
Dyema, how about the prison man them so make you love them also? How about the bad man them so?
Cause me have gun hole and prison hole and salt hole, you know tell you?
Gun hole? So gunman go in a hole?
Yeah.
What do you mean salt hole?
Anybody in your comment section I tell you what you ask me, ask them. And let me tell you
No,
mean.
I ask them, I know. Nobody not take me for asking nothing.
Cause they mix up bad. Thank you, babies. Tavii, don't come near.
Yo, you go in my comment section, brother. I can't salt hole, she say. You old salt?
Yeah, saka salt.
Oh, the blood clot. Who goes down your hole? Who goes down your hole? A Roger While?
Salt.
Yo, come here, my team. We're lose it up. We have 1 minute for catch up. We don't have no gloves.
Guys, shoot him down.
We have 1 minute for catch up or potato or something.
Go quick me there.
We have 1 minute for catch up or potato.
Jesus, me not busy what they want about me, Jesus. Jesus said that me not care.
Yeah, we not care.
I know what people say, no. Me not care what people say. Cause if I live with people, you will turn worthless. I know what anything what they say, me just say present and work with it.
Yeah.
If you don't work with it, you don't notice me gimmicks my own self. That means nobody can gimmicks me.
Yes. That's me right there. Yes, that's me right there. Yo, snipe, bomba.
If them say you suck a salt, and you start puss and bite of yourself, you sweet them. So when them say me a suck a salt, I just say present.
Present.
So they won't have nothing to quarrel with before. Because I accept
it. And nothing can sweet them.
No, because I accept it. Because some of them when they criticize people, the man don't want them. True. So let me ask you one question, Tavii.
Yeah.
If you Let me ask you one question. If you're there with the girl, right?
Yeah.
And the girl them bad, you know must expect so them to go to jail.
Yeah, bro.
Like them bad as in beat people and things.
No, I mean, Joe, yeah, man, me just terms around, cause you are man.
Yeah.
Me just terms around like how they say me love bad man. So if me dead man and them bad, you know expect them to go to jail if them not carry something for the government.
Yeah, for 2 years.
Okay. So all you go start if them bad, somewhere down the line them have to go to the jailhouse. It's not me bring them there, it's them going by themselves.
No, it's just a case where the people them not understand. Say, you have a type of man where you rate, and them man they have a mindset where you understand where would I make it harder for you as
go
a woman.
scout, you know. I don't really go scout enough. My man them after rough, you know, because you see how me rough.
Yeah.
Oh, me rough, me can't let no man me mouth loader than for them. That don't make no sense.
Sure.
I mean, now there with no boy, we go road and a boy this, when me this him back. And I can't manage. When you look me at me, you know, like police station, my man supposed to can defend me.
Sure. And
So
so them type of dog that you rate.
If I'm choosing the wrong man, them God will soon trench me.
No man, I know good man you have then if the man there for defend you and them thing them man. And I know so you go. Any man will defend woman the realest way, bro.
I
forget.
I tell you this straight shoot. I don't go Scout Island.
Yeah.
I go G Island. I don't go S Scout. I go G Generals. So 4 rows, you know so much I want to over
We need
here.
4 of them. 4.
Business. I bet me a Tavii get serious and top that now. We know a PS screen record over here. By the time we come and live with their screen record. Black of them glad for me, you know, because when me a keep on them page. Thank you very much, Chrissy, baby. They must glad for me, because thank you, how that?
Oh,
Thank
shit.
you very much.
Oh,
Use
shit.
up a club and lick Tavii and back for me there, please,
Oh,
somebody.
shit. Use up a triple. We not take no more beat, you know.
A triple? Guys, who's the gloves, guys?
Nigga, that we are talking about. Princess. No, come here now.
Guys, who's the triple, guys?
What's some shooters them?
But now we can't lick me with cocoa butter, good as.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
Easy if you go vice me for one song in a pretty face.
Thank you, Princess. Big up.
You know.
Oh, shit. Kev,
So
big up.
me welcome to the show, you know, but I do the show.
You know, say me a fit. You know, say me I'm a movie still, but me still a pre my movie. Me just a work with the energy then when me I get still. Okay. Because people, because me recently find out say people, I tell people not to shoot for me.
Oh, watch your trim. Me not like this about it, yeah. Me prefer the Rasta. Right now, you trim off all of your knowledge. Pretty face, thank you. Trim off all of your knowledge.
Yo, my team, they might try this track with, you know. But want win that one, you know.
Your team only over there then kill us and like mix up then and shoot them broke like a church louse.
Alright then, make us start the score and prove her wrong, please. All of my shooters.
Where you take off all your knowledge? Where you take off all your knowledge?
We are talking about my bench in my ear and go to Kingston and when you talk about my cut off my power. So what is close spin? What close spin? Close spin and no power.
So why did you cut your ear though?
What you say?
Why did you cut it?
Me have my reasons them, I just not taught them.
You know no reason, you just tell the ear and feel like you cut it. Where?
Alright, Dyema, that's your opinion.
You like you better with the Rasta, you know.
Yeah, where I work, yeah. I know, but I can't put on about the locks them, so you have to like me without them.
You can fix it back from start.
You want to come swing back the year, the locks them now, man?
Yeah.
My team, we need a sniper, you know. Want a bad sniper on my team. We need a bad sniper, you know.
517, no love mix up. If you
no, hold on. Oh, it look like
over here. I'm tell us I'm skip them people my own and say if I get piece I am this, that, and just start do some different thing. And them sister Dyema they ignore them. So I realize that they done so. Them like attention. So you say ignore them, they don't really follow you up. Cause if one side of somebody I get screen record and the other side I get screen record, it not nice. So it not joyful, so they have it done. But when me follow them up and them follow me up, you know go done. Then the black of them get something for talk. Then the haters them get something for talk. Then the other team when they cost me get a forward off of me and get a strength.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, you know, so me I read in between the line them now.
Yeah.
Oh, me know what you talk about.
So me stop follow up people, dog. Cause them claims that them are cussing about them are your strength, your energy, them are draw. Them are feed off your energy. So
Energy
you say
vampire them.
So if alright, take for instance, me they cuss now, you they cuss me now. Me not answer you. You go eventually don't know cause me not answer, cause you go just look stupid and cuss me every time and me not answer you.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Then if you answer, you know, you go pearl and cause I guess I know. You go see the views that go up and then you go sweet if you come back, come build one another one again tomorrow, then come here and answer you to get the feed off of my energy.
Yeah.
So I figure out that by my own, by myself and just know say, alright then. Fine, no, we not get my straight. When I not talk, I just avoid and just to be a meme for myself. So I don't get the chance to get a meme out of me. Chrissy, thank you, baby.
Dyema, you know what I know.
Yeah.
You know what I know, Dyema. But me just sorry say you have to reach yourself a seed.
No, remember Tavii, me know that long time, you know. Let me tell you how
Yeah.
know it. Remember say me in this long time, you know, Tavii. Whole heap of years, whole 25 years, you know, Tavii.
Yeah.
Me know all of everything when them a try. But true, sometimes some people, sometimes I feel like we answer them. Factual.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like say some people when they on levels more time not for disrespect me. So some more I just feel like we answer them.
Yeah.
I say anything when I do Tavii, me like learn from my own mistake. I don't like when nobody tell me nothing. I like learn from my own mistake. Yeah. Then me catch up back for alright. So I remember you're never too old for learn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then me just catch up back. I like when time people tell yes, alright, you see. Everybody cuss and say, don't play with Tavii this and that because I go cuss a rare. Me still play with you, never cuss me. Suppose me never follow them.
Yeah.
You understand where I come from? So I say, me play the make him cuss me. Let me see for myself. I never, because I add me, I say, why you add me for Tavii because me? I say, damn, I'm not cuss you. So I try to tell us, say, you can't listen to people if you make your own mistake for yourself and learn how to fight. Because sometimes sometimes it might be truth and most of the time, I'm always wrong.
You're right. When it come on to, cause nowadays it's like, what you are showing me is that people been a take program from people in a chat, you know, but you not take program, we not take program, we just miss our thing.
I take program, I just do what I do.
Yeah, you see, that sound like the issue when me talk about this morning. When me talk about and I showed people where father in my life say, yo, people goodly I tell me say nothing send me nothing or support my cause. Because them threatened. And it's okay. You don't have to send me nothing. I don't want nothing from Uno. You can keep money and a blessing said way. And the idea you said one come watch my video them and support my
yeah, because people do talk enough time. Don't play Tavii that I can't wait. I'm going to cuss you, I say make him cuss me. Because I'm not afraid of him. I play with him, make him cuss me. And you never cuss me. I never play with you yet, you give me a bad vibes. So suppose I follow them now and say me not play with you. You don't understand?
Yeah, Mono get no strength.
That's why I'm in a program, I'm in a follow, I'm in a listen to people. You see, if me go there with a man and somebody say, I don't there with a man, they can't go beat you. He no must beat me when it can't happen for you, but let me go and go learn from my own by myself and then me catch my mistake. I know, say, all right, then me get warning. I never lie, weary. More than nothing they go so, I mean, no do it for you and you know what, so I like me. I not take program, brother. And if you not talk to somebody and me and your friend, you can't tell me if you not chat to the people. One time I used to do it when I young at Tavii and me say share me much in time. I walk and cuss the people and malice people. When I look at the people and them talk back and them many people and malice, me look like a shit, so I stop them something there.
Yeah.
I do them something no more. So if you not talk to somebody, don't tell me say not talk to somebody. You don't tell me that. Them sitting there can't reach me again. If you have faith for the past still not have it. If you have faith for the past, you have to brace yourself for criticism and say if you can't take it, hey. And I say you go feel away, because sometimes they write some sitting, when they go on some screen record and they write some sitting.
Man, I'm if you tell you a story. And then we just create some narrative.
Everybody, you know.
Once that one narrative create Dyema, once the narrative creator, if I eat that everybody want to run with it. And have you as that person, you know me? And
yeah, the bad one. When sometimes I just show you loud and noisy. And you know, say people loud and noisy, actually most of the time always be the good one. And the one they go like say them perfect, always be the bad one. And then people we just see things are growing in a watch me hand. Oh, people will see things are growing in a circle and just depend. You know, like the girl Dyema, you know, all the man and them something and all girl Dyema, she love young boy.
Yeah, and she don't have no reason for you say them thing and them don't know you know. Them just a work off of the energy where
the internet you know you for nowhere. All them I love take. If a man they never see me with no if a man they don't know, they just talk what them feel like.
Yeah.
And most of the time they talk behind fake pages. They just listen what others say and just want for and just not to type on them phone and just feel like it just bring you down.
Yeah, bro.
And then other people just see it. You all go on road sometimes, some people see you. Oh, are you the one this other day? All them look something there, they all on road now. So if you're not faith, you feel that way. I'll not come in now. I say, so if them in this, me I want to come to Amcharge cuss you. Because some stay. And then I want that time again, we say something to me that I not even answer.
Yeah.
And then people go say, I'm afraid of this somebody. You say, me feel like saying if you get my cuss you, me not cuss you.